Welcome back to a new episode, fam. Welcome to the Comment Garage. Today is a special day. In today's episode, we're gonna take the G35 to counter steer and we're gonna do some dyno pulls. We're gonna get a baseline on how much power the G35 actually is making. I haven't had a tune on it. All the things that it has is a Tomei titanium exhaust, engine cold air intake. Honestly, those are the only two power mods it has. Besides that, everything else is kind of cosmetic. So it's gonna be really interesting to see the base of a stock G35. It has almost 200,000 miles. So a high mileage stock G35. We're gonna find out how much horsepower it makes to the wheel. So that's gonna be awesome. And here's a little cold start of the car. So we're here in counter steer. It's like the Fast and Furious warehouse. It's like the Fast and Furious shop over here. Look at this. Skyline. Skyline, 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 skyline. Everything here, it's Skyline, GTRs, Supras. This is the best place. If you guys have a GTR, R32, R33, anything that you guys want to get tuned, service, this are the guys to come with. Counter steer. They're pros. They have many years of experience. I mean, just look at this. Look at all those GTRs. So if you're local into the Atlanta area, Kennesaw, Acworth, anywhere kind of, in Georgia, honestly, the drive is worth it and they do an amazing job. They're about to open the dyno. That's where we're gonna put the G inside and do the dyno pulls, see how much power the G is putting down. Stock. Has a little mods here and there. It's not tuned, it's mostly cosmetic, but it's gonna be a nice baseline for a high mileage G35 and we're gonna see what we're dealing with. Let's go. Here we go, boys. We got the Dyno Jet. Dylan, the owner of Counter, is about to hook up the G. Right now we got the G getting prepped. It's looking nice.
Oh man, we got a freebie.
Oh wow, I can't believe I forgot this.
Bruh.
Oh my god. Wow. I was working on my car the other day. Wow. Oh my god. Yo, we just found my flashlight. It's been there for like a couple of days. That's crazy. Out of all the years of experience, Dylan, that you had with G's, how much is like the base horsepower they make?
Depending on the condition, which varies a lot with these.
Bruh.
Most of the time, like average 250, 255.
Really? Because I was like, damn, my engine's pretty like high. So I was like, if I hit like 230, I'll be happy to the wheel. You think we can make around 230, 240 right now with almost 200,000 miles?
I hope it makes more than 240.
All right, let's go. That's what we're talking about. Got a little go-kart over here. The G's getting all strapped up. We're getting everything ready. We're about to do the first pull. He told me around 240. He hopes it hits more than 240, so I'm hoping for the same thing. So we're about to see. Let's see what the G can do. Yo, that was awesome. I have never heard my car that loud. I'm always in the driver's seat, so I never get to hear my car, you know? That was fucking awesome. Let's see the numbers now.
Luckily, it hit over 240.
Hey, we hit 247. Highest? Yo, that's awesome. So the car was pretty good?
Not bad.
There you go. Hey, it's a good baseline. We'll see what we do. That's awesome. And that's without a tune. Tune, how much do you normally see this car with?
Roughly 10 horsepower NA with a tune, but if you put test pipes on here or high flow cats, you'll probably get up close to the 260 range, which is probably pretty good for this high mileage.
Yeah. I'd say it's pretty good for the mileage this has. I'm really excited to see how we build up from now. That was the baseline, so I'm really excited to see where we go next. Here we have the numbers, boys. Out of the 3 runs, 247. And max torque 208, highest was 209. Dylan did say that in the mid RPMs the car is running super lean. It does need to get tuned pretty soon. We probably might be back over here to get a tune as well. They said to do G's. Here's what I show us the R34 he bought, and it's coming next year, which should be crazy.
10 more months until
the R34 comes in. Dude, that's crazy. You're gonna have to have one of these up here for the R34.
I ain't got them in the shop.
Nice. This is like the Fast and Furious workshop.
Kind of.
Oh my god, that's sick. And it's blue. Is it the midnight purple?
It's blue.
Oh, it kind of looks like the midnight purple, dude. That's awesome.
It's aggressive.
Oh my god. And it's turbo too? What?
Yeah.
Does this come with the RB26?
25.
25. Thank you, Dylan.
Thank you.
Owner, CEO of Countersteer. He's the man. Hit him up for anything you guys need.
Thank you.
Crazy builds. Appreciate you, man.
Thanks a lot.
Well, boys, that was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys give this video a like. Comment down below. What do you guys think the G35 is gonna make once we supercharge it? We have the dyno sheet right here. I'm actually really excited. I'm super psyched for what's coming for the G35. So make sure to stay tuned and find out what happens to the G35 in the next episode of the Common Garage. Peace.